Light, easy to handle, effective. The handgun is the ideal weapon for both defensive and offensive close-quarter man-to-man combat fighting. Easily carried at the side, it's practically a part of you. Safety precautions apply here, too. The first thing you always do is inspect and clear your piece. When that's been done, you're ready to proceed. Remember to take and keep a tight, firm grip on the gun stock. A loose grip will allow the weapon to twist in your hand on recoil. With practice and remembering to use a tight, firm, two-handed grip, you'll soon be able to throw your shots right where you want them. Then, using the shoulder as a pivot point, raise the